Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" Spice things up, I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Have you ever heard someone say, "Let's spice things up," and wondered what it meant? Well, it's not about adding literal spice to something. It means to add excitement or variety to a situation. So, to clarify, the idiom means to add excitement or variety to a situation. For example, you might say, "Let's spice things up by trying a new restaurant for dinner tonight." To remember the meaning easily, think of adding literal spice to food to make it more interesting. Similarly, adding excitement or variety to a situation can make it more interesting. Let me tell you a story about my friend Sarah. She was feeling bored with her job and wanted to spice things up. She decided to take on a new project and even started learning a new skill. Now, she feels more engaged and excited about her work. 1. It's a commonly used idiom in both formal and informal settings. 2. It's often used in the context of relationships and romance. Example sentences. 1. Let's spice things up by taking a dance class together. 2. I'm getting bored with my workout routine. I need to spice things up. 3. Our team needs to spice things up to increase productivity. Sentence using the spice things up idiom. Let's spice things up by trying a new hobby together. Rephrased sentences. 1. Let's add some excitement to our routine by trying a new hobby together. 2. Our routine is getting stale. Let's try something new. Real-life story. My friend John was feeling stuck in his relationship. He decided to spice things up by planning a surprise weekend getaway for his partner. It brought them closer together and added excitement to their relationship. Similar expressions. 1. Add some flavor to. 2. Shake things up. 3. Mix it up. Opposite expressions. 1. Keep things the same. 2. Stick to the routine. Related idioms. 1. Variety is the spice of life. 2. Add fuel to the fire. Quiz time. 1. What does the spice things up idiom mean? A. To add literal spice to food. B. To add excitement or variety to a situation. C. To make something less interesting. Answer B. The idiom means to add excitement or variety to a situation. To summarize, the spice things up idiom means to add excitement or variety to a situation. Remember, you can use similar expressions like add some flavor to or shake things up to convey a similar meaning. Don't be afraid to spice things up in your life.